flip over here to NAV. And this module that I'm going to show you is available in all versions of both Navision, NAV, and Business Central as well. Let's head over to our contacts. And we'll open up London Postmaster. And we'll talk a little bit about the London Postmaster. So everything that sales does with customers, we can do on the supply chain side with vendors. Some of the key areas that are used are interactions. And what you will find is right here up in the ribbon, you have the ability to create an interaction. And basically what this is a little wizard that steps you through creating an interaction. So let me define what an interaction here is. An interaction is a touch point to reach out and touch to your vendor, either you reaching out to them or they reaching out to you. You can create various templates around these interaction touch points. And simply by hitting the drop down here, you'll see I've created a bunch of these templates already. And you will find that you can create these as you see fit. I'm going to keep this simple, and I'm going to say the interaction is going to be an outgoing call, as in me calling the vendor. And then I can just put a quick description in here that says, call vendor to follow up. And really, that's all the information that's needed. I can go ahead and click OK, and I've created that touch point. Now, where does that become important under the 360-degree view of the vendor and everything that they've done? Is if I click on Navigate and I go to the interaction log entries, what you will find is here every single touch point that I've had with this particular vendor. Here is that outgoing call that I just created. Now, I want to bring your attention to a few other things within this log. What you'll find is I have some purchase receipts in here as well. I have some purchase quotes. I even have email. So a lot of these interactions can be completely dynamically created here in the interaction log entry with a few setups if done properly. And why is this important? Well, it's important because we're able to track all of that here dynamically without a human touch, simply based on the receipt of product from the vendor. If I know when I created the PO and I know when the product is being received, I can measure the vendor against that. I can also measure based on standard follow-ups. So again, coming into here, I get a 360-degree view of the vendor. Every touch point, every email, every purchase order, purchase quote, purchase receipt, everything shows up here under one area.